In this video, I'll be sharing my full experience with Ulta Beauty's hair thinning and hair loss solutions. Ulta Beauty is a well-known name in beauty, and their products range from skincare to hair care. When it comes to hair thinning and loss, they've got a variety of options that claim to help restore hair and promote thickness. The first thing I noticed is that Ulta offers products from many well-known brands, but does it actually deliver results when it comes to thinning hair? The website is user-friendly, making it easy to browse through the different hair care solutions. However, while there are many options, it's not always clear which ones are best suited for your specific needs. Ulta does provide detailed product descriptions and customer reviews, but I found that it was sometimes overwhelming to sort through all the choices. One thing I appreciated is their filtering options that allow you to narrow down products by concerns like hair thinning, volume, and texture. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about the products themselves. I tried several of their best sellers, and while some did seem to improve the appearance of my hair, others didn't quite live up to the hype. The results vary from person to person, which is typical for hair care, but I think it's important to manage expectations. Ulta does offer high-quality options, but the price point for some of these treatments can be a bit high, especially considering the mixed reviews on effectiveness. In conclusion, if you're looking for a wide range of options and don't mind spending a little extra, Ulta Beauty's hair thinning and hair loss products might be worth considering. However, I recommend doing your own research and reading through customer reviews to ensure you're choosing the right products for your hair type. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and user experiences.